it is not Mount Kenya, which I chair, which called the meeting for the on the issue of Judge Mugo. The Mount Kenya, the Meru Bar Association called the meeting under the chairmanship of Florence Kajuju. I attended as a member of Meru Bar Association and also an official in the Bar Association. And then the advocate, who are about 67 to 80 in Meru, they deliberated. And they said, until the CJ gives us the reason why he should have Judge Mugo. And if he comes here with all these problems, you can see the petition in Nairobi which had been launched by even LSK for her removal. We are going to have problems. We are not going to have any peace with her in Meru. So the advocate resolved through democratic process. We voted by majority. They resolved that we are going to reject Judge Mugo until the CJ give us the reason why he has not acted on the complaint from other stations. That's how the matter was resolved. So, not that I led the rebellion, I was a part of the wider team which was handling the issue of Judge Mugo. But after that, and the delay by the CJ, the judge arrived in Meru on postage, and then the lawyers they decided that they are going to boycott her court until the CJ solves the problem. Luckily enough, the CJ invited us. We had a meeting. We discussed that he agreed that there was massive complaint against the judge, and that he agreed with us that you transfer her from Meru. She was transferred from Meru. But after some time, the Judicial Service Commission met, and he decided to return her to Meru, along with other judges who had problems in the station, to their various stations. So Judge Angawa in Eldoret and Judge Obija in Kitale. When she came back, because the lawyers had not been given the reason why the Judicial Service Commission overruled the CJ, the lawyers said that we are not going to agree to resume in our courts. We're still doing matters before Justice Kasango. And then after a short stint, she was completely transferred now from Meru. But that was the scenario. And the reason why the lawyers never granted her a hearing is because we're saying the problem is not with us. We are not saying that we have any specific complaint against the judge. We are only saying that having seen what she has done in Nairobi, in Kisumu, in Nakuru, and knowing that she has even refused to grant audience to the advocate in Nakuru, how safe are we to have the judge? We are going to just continue with the fight with the judge. So we are trying to do, what we did is preemptive measures.
I mean, I appreciate when you said that you are an all-round, you are all-round, but you would like to specialize in criminal law.
Yes, my lord.
But you see, as a judge of the High Court, we want, a jack of all trades, really. Someone who knows everything. And just, I'll ask you a little of one or two questions on commercial matters. Do you explain to us the nature of Antompila orders?
And?
Antompila orders. Are you aware of Antompila orders?
No, I'm not aware of them.
Okay, fair enough. My second question is, a trust document has what's called the three certainties of trust. Are you familiar with the three certainties of a trust?
The three?
The three certainties.
Sentences.
Certainty.
Certainties.
Yes.
Yes.
Of a trust. What are the three certainties of a trust?
There would be the trust deed.
I'm not talking about the document. I'm talking about the three certainties of a trust.
I'm not aware of them.